Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Hand. ChatGPT is mainly used to create text. In today's video, we will look at how ChatGPT works and what are all the features available in ChatGPT. And does ChatGPT affect the job? Before getting into the video, please make sure to click the subscribe button and bell icon. Let's dive in. What is ChatGPT and OpenAI? ChatGPT and OpenAI are both artificial intelligence (AI) technologies developed by OpenAI, a research laboratory based in San Francisco. ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot that can generate natural language responses to user queries. OpenAI is a research lab focused on developing general artificial intelligence (AGI). Both technologies are used to create intelligent bots that can interact with humans in natural language. ChatGPT and OpenAI can be used to create intelligent bots that can interact with humans in natural language. They can also be used to generate natural language responses to user queries, such as answering questions or providing recommendations. Additionally, they can be used for tasks such as summarizing text, translating between languages, and generating creative content. DALL-E 2. DALL-E 2 is a new version of OpenAI's ChatGPT technology that has been designed to generate more creative and expressive content. It is capable of generating images, stories, and music from text, and can be used to create interactive experiences such as virtual worlds. DALL-E 2 works by using a combination of natural language processing (NLP) and generative adversarial networks (GANs). The NLP component is used to understand the input text, while the GANs are used to generate images, stories, and music from the text. The output is then evaluated by a human evaluator and adjusted accordingly. Who founded OpenAI and when was it established? OpenAI was founded in December 2015 by Elon Musk, Sam Altman, Greg Brockman, Ilya Sutskever, and Wojciech Zaremba. OpenAI conducts research in artificial intelligence (AI) with the goal of advancing digital intelligence in the way that is most likely to benefit humanity as a whole, unconstrained by a need to generate financial return. OpenAI's research is focused on four main areas: reinforcement learning, unsupervised learning, generative models, and robotics. They have also developed the AI-powered chatbot called Eugene Goostman that can pass the Turing test. Moderation API, OpenAI. OpenAI's Moderation API is a set of tools designed to help developers and content creators moderate their online content. The API provides a suite of tools to detect and remove offensive content, detect and remove spam, and detect and remove fake accounts. OpenAI offers a range of services, including natural language processing, computer vision, machine learning, and robotics. They also offer an API for developers to access their services. In addition, they offer research and development services, consulting services, and educational resources. It is designed to be used in conjunction with other moderation tools such as human moderators or automated moderation systems. To use the API, developers need to create an account and then use the API's endpoints to access the services. Artificial Intelligence Art on ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot that uses OpenAI's GPT-3 language model to generate conversation. It can be used to create art, stories, and conversations. It is also capable of understanding natural language and responding in a natural way. To use Chatbot GPT, you need to create an account and then use the API's endpoints to access the services. You can then type in a prompt and ChatGPT will generate a response based on the prompt. You can also customize the AI's response by adjusting the settings. They strive to advance digital intelligence in the way that is most likely to benefit humanity as a whole and need to generate financial return. How is ChatGPT trained? Supervised learning involves providing the AI with labeled data, such as conversations between humans. Unsupervised learning involves providing the AI with unlabeled data, such as text from books or articles. The AI then uses these data sets to learn how to generate responses that are similar to those of humans. OpenAI is working on a variety of challenges, such as developing AI-powered robots, creating AI-powered language models, and developing AI-powered game-playing agents. They are also researching ways to make AI more ethical and responsible, as well as ways to make AI more accessible and affordable. Limitations of ChatGPT. ChatGPT has several limitations. It is not able to generate images, and it is not able to provide citations or references. It is also not able to visit websites, videos, social media profiles, or send emails. Additionally, it is not able to summarize large files and can only write in one language at a time. When raising toxic questions to the ChatGPT, it will avoid answering those questions. Humans may get confused because of the outcome because of the trained ChatGPT. Is ChatGPT free to use? ChatGPT is free to use for personal projects, but there is a subscription fee for commercial use. The subscription fee varies depending on the features you need. Trials are available for the first-time user. Artificial intelligence gives responses to our questions, and they are capable of learning from their mistakes. The common user must pay to use the ChatGPT. Anyone can use ChatGPT from anywhere around the world. Does AI chatbot replace Google? AI chatbots are not yet capable of providing the same level of search results as Google. They are, however, capable of providing more personalized and contextualized search results than Google. ChatGPT affects job? ChatGPT is a tool that can help you with job-related tasks, such as writing resumes, cover letters, and other job-related documents. It can also help you with research, data analysis, and other tasks related to the job, so it has no effect on jobs. GPT-3. Generative Pre-trained 3, GPT-3, is an autoregressive language model that uses deep literacy to produce a mortal-like textbook. Given an original textbook as prompt, it'll produce a textbook that continues the prompt. The third-generation language vaticination model in the GPT-N series, created by OpenAI, an artificial intelligence exploration laboratory, pre-trained language representations, the quality of the textbook generated by GPT-3 is so high that it can be dedicated to determine whether or not it is written by a mortal, which has both benefits and pitfalls. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Let us know in the comments that you are subscribed and what you think of this video. We will reply to you personally. You can also give a thumbs up. Thanks for that.